Kendis offers options to save your filter criteria for later use. Click on the search text box to view the filters. Select the filter options and click on the link Save As. A modal view is open. Provide the title of your filter, describe what this filter is about, and then from the last drop-down, select the My Filter option. This filter is now available in your My Filters list. These are personal filters for you. To modify an existing filter, select it from the list and make a change in the selection criteria. A Save option will be visible when you click on the arrow icon next to Save As link. Quick filters are visible to all users. This capability allows admins to create predefined filters for other team members. You may create a new filter or edit an existing one to change its type from My Filter to Quick Filter. To hide the filters bar, click on this option. Filters will remain applied. It's important to notice the colored filtered icon, which indicates the filters are applied on the board. Click on the Reset Filters option to remove the selected options. All the contents on the board will be visible. To manage rights for the quick filters, go to Settings, select Roles, select an existing role, and click on the board settings. By default, this option is available to all of the roles. You have to manually deselect from the roles if you don't want them to have this option. For more information, check help.kendis.io.